Hi Marcus, put together a quick video because it's easier than typing out an explanation to this. So all I've done is I have taken that first line from your example you gave on Spiceworks, just typed it out manually and saved it there. I've then saved it as a CSV file. I'm not sure what format yours come in. I don't think it matters if it's CSV text or whether it's an Excel file. So your best way of dealing with this is if you create a new sheet. Just go into data, import from text, choose your CSV file, choose delimited to start with, tick the box to treat consecutive delimiters as one and choose none. You'll see that splits it out. Well, I've already got it set there to split on that, but you can split it out on the comma as well. So you can see that kind of splits it up nicely, but it adds some additional columns you don't want. Click next again, and then you can just say do not import this column, don't import this column, don't import this column. I think that's sorry, click back there. So skipping that column there because you don't want that, so you'll have fitting 1, fitting 2, you'll have feet, inches. Oh, we don't want. Skip that column. So you basically just select the columns you do and you don't want. Hit finish. And I believe that's the output you wanted, wasn't it? Let me know, mate. Hope that works for you. If it doesn't, give us a shout back. I'd be glad to have another look. You'll have to send me a PM though, because I don't always see the subscription notifications. Alright, good luck, mate.